Okay, so we've got two more examples. We're going to do the same exact process. We're missing a side length, so we're going to label with what we have. Well, here's my right angle, so I know I have hypotenuse, or H. Here's the angle's perspective, so from 72 degrees, side 6 is actually touching 72. That makes it the adjacent leg. So just like the last example, we have A and H. We're going to use cosine again. So we're going to say cosine of my angle is equal to A, which is 6, over H, which is X. So this is where it's a little bit different than the last one. We're going to make this a fraction over 1, and then we're going to cross multiply. So my first diagonal, I'm going to write it as X times cosine of 72 degrees is equal to 6 times 1, which is 6. Our goal, remember, is always to solve for X. So if we're trying to solve for X, we have multiplication. We're going to undo multiplication with division, but whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So we're dividing by cosine of 72 on both sides. That will cancel, which is what we wanted. We have X left over, and then we're just going to type this in. So on the red calculator, I'll show you what it looks like. Come over here. Get out of the glare. We're going to type in 6 divided by, and I always start a parenthesis. Your cosine is COS again, 72, and we've got to close both parentheses. Gives me 19.42. So not a tough process. As long as you set it up as two fractions equal to each other, you just do your cross multiplication. You guys are good at that. And then let's do one more together. So we've got hypotenuse and adjacent. I'm telling you, they're not always going to be hypotenuse and adjacent, but for these first three they are. So we're still doing cosine of my angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's just the reverse. Remember, put it over 1. Cross multiply, so 6 times cosine of 73 is equal to X. So I'm just going to type that in. 6 cosine 73. 1.75 is my final answer. So there you guys have it.